Okay, good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about chemical reaction, how to identify the chemical reaction. Okay, chemical change in which identify the substance unchanged. For example, if you take water molecule is available in the liquid form, on heating to produce water vapor. The liquid can be converted into gases. Sugar can be, on heating sugar, it can be converted into carbon and as well as a water. Respiration or digestion, these are all example for chemical reaction. How to identify the chemical reaction? It can be recognized or identified by the four parameters, that is change in color, change in state, change in temperature, evaluation of gas. So change in color, if you take here example, it is a precipitation reaction. When potassium iodide react with lead nitrate to form lead iodide is a yellow color precipitate. Which color? Yellow color. And potassium nitrate. Okay, this is the color change. Not only in this one change in color, if you take barium chloride and as well as a sodium sulfate, these two are combined to form a barium sulfate is a white color precipitate is formed. And second one is a change in state. Magnesium is available in the ribbon form. When a magnesium ribbon combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide ash. Simply, when a magnesium bonds with oxygen to form magnesium oxide is a white color powder, that is a white dazzling light. Third one is change in temperature. You can observe here change in temperature. Lime, CaO, calcium oxide is example for quick solid substance. It is example solid substance. It is also called quicklime. It is react with water molecule to form a lime water. It releases heat energy. The reaction which heat energy released by the substance are called exothermic reaction. Here temperature is change. And finally evaluation of gas. When a metal combines with acid to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, zinc metal combines with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. How to identify the hydrogen gas? When a burning matchstick is near to the gas, puts off the burning splitter with pop sound.